Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 fourth main. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem. Look at the problem. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.422, so on. Let me solve here. We have A1 first term is 0.2 and A2 is 0.22, A3 is 0.22 and A4 is 0.2222. Here we want to find out common difference. So that is D equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 0.22 minus A1 is 0.2. So make this minus. Here we got 0.02 and next D equal to A3 minus A2. So here A3 is 0.222 minus A2 is 0.22 and make this minus. Here we got 0.002. So look at here. Here D is not a constant. So therefore it is not a AP. So write down here. D is not a constant, therefore the given numbers are not in AP. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, so on. So let me solve here. We have A1 first term is 0 and A2 second term is minus 4, A3 is minus 8, A4 is minus 12. So find out here D. D is A2 minus A1. So here A2 is minus 4 and minus A1 is 0. So here we got minus 4 and next D is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8 and minus A2 is minus 4. So here minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 and next D is A4 minus A3. So here A4 is minus 12 and minus A3 is minus 8. So here minus 12 minus into minus plus 8 and this equal to minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. So look at here. Here D is a constant, right? So D is a constant means the given sequence is a AP. So write down here. So here D is constant, therefore the given numbers are in AP and common difference D is minus 4 and here we want to find out 3 more terms. 3 more terms R. So already we have A4. So here A5 is A4 plus D, and we have A4 is minus 12 plus D is minus 4. So minus 12 minus 4 become a minus 16, and A6 is A5 plus D. So here A5 is minus 16 and D is minus 4. So minus 16 minus 4 become a minus 20, and A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is minus 20 and D is minus 4. So minus 20 minus 4 become a minus 24. So write down here D is minus 4 and A5 is minus 16, A6 is minus 20, A7 is minus 24. Is it clear? So look at the next problem. Minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, so on. So let me solve here. We have A1 is minus 1 by 2, A2 is also minus 1 by 2, A3 is also minus 1 by 2, A4 is also minus 1 by 2. So here we want to find D. So D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 and minus A1 is minus 1 by 2. So this become minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So plus minus get cancelled, we got 0 here. Next D is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 1 by 2 and minus A2 is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So these two get cancelled, we got here 0. So next A4 minus A3. So here A4 is minus 1 by 2 and minus A3 is also minus 1 by 2. So here 1 minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2, here 0. So look at here D is a constant. So therefore the given number is in a AP. So write down here D is constant. Therefore the given numbers are in AP and common difference D equal to 0. And here we want to find out 3 more terms. 3 more terms are A5 is A4 plus D. So here A4 is minus 1 by 2 and plus D is 0. So here we got minus 1 by 2. Next A6, A5 plus D. So A5 is minus 1 by 2 plus D is 0. So here minus 1 by 2. Next A7. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is minus 1 by 2 plus D is 0. Here also minus 1 by 2. So write down here. Therefore D is 0 and A5 is minus 1 by 2. A6 is minus 1 by 2. A7 is minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? So look at the next problem. 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. So let me solve here. We have A1 first term is 1 and A2 second term is 3, A3 third term is 9, A4 fourth term is 27, and here D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 3 minus A1 is 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So next D, A3 minus A2. A3 is 9 minus A2 is 3, so 9 minus 3 is 6. So here D is not a constant. So write down here D is not a constant. Therefore, the given numbers are not in AP. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A, so on. So let me solve here. We have A1. A1 is A. A2 second term is 2A. A3 third term is 3A, and A4 fourth term is 4A, and D equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 2A minus A1 is A. 2A minus A is A. So next D is A3 minus A2. A3 is 3A minus A2 is 2A. In 3A, remove 2A. We got A only. So next D is A4 minus A3. So here A4 is 4A minus 3A. So 4A minus 3A is A. So look at here. Here D is a constant. It means the given numbers are in a AP. So write down here. D is constant. Therefore, the given numbers are in AP, and common difference D is A. And write down the 3 more terms. 3 more terms are A5 equal to A4 plus D. So A4 is 4A plus D is A. 4A plus A is 5A. Next A6 is A5 plus D. So A5 is 5A plus D is A. 5A plus A is 6A. Next A7. A6 plus D. A6 is 6A plus D is A. 6A plus A is 7A. So write down here. Thus D is A and A5 is 5A. A6 is 6A. A7 is 7A. Is it clear?